Hey friends, welcome to Ghosh for AI. My name is Sharon Ghosh. Today we are facing a global crisis in the name of this deadly disease called coronavirus. I really hope that you are keeping yourself safe, you're cleaning your hands and maintaining social distancing because that is the only weapon we have right now against this deadly virus. In India, where I am from, we are going through a nationwide lockdown. So since I'm stuck at home, I thought about why not make a new video. My last video about graphics driver installation in Ubuntu got a lot of appreciation from all of you, and I'm really thankful for it. Now, since the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version has been released in the beta version, I thought about testing it and checking that if we can install the graphics drivers without any hassle. And guess what? There are some hassles, and that's why I'm here to make your life easier. The final version of Ubuntu would be released in April 16th. So before that, go see this video and get to know how you can avoid any problems while installing the graphics drivers. Before we go on to further topics, I would like you to please see my other videos in the channel. If you like them, give a thumbs up and leave some comments. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification for future updates. Now, as you can see that Ubuntu has just released the beta version on April 2nd, and the kernel has been freezed on April 9th. So this is a very good time to test out the graphics driver, and the release candidate is in April 16th, which is like 3 days after this. And I really hope that this video will help you. Now, mind it, this is a LTS version of Ubuntu. Now, Ubuntu releases two versions of their operating system. One is the LTS version, another is the normal version. The difference is this LTS version will be supported for the next 5 years. So if you're thinking about switching your Linux operating system or upgrading it, it's a very good chance for you to grab this Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version, because for the next 5 years you'll be getting all kinds of updates and your operating system would be up to date with the current trend. Now, to install the graphics driver, it seemed fairly easy at first, but there was a few glitches. One thing that I found out that Ubuntu doesn't support the lightdm or light desktop manager. What it supports is the GDM or the GNOME desktop manager. This creates a problem after the graphics driver installation. So what happened with me was, after I installed the graphics drivers and I restarted it, it went to the login screen, and then when I was trying to log in, I was giving the password and it was going in a loop and I was being redirected back to the login screen. So this is a very common problem. It happens when there is an unsupported desktop manager. So what I did was I went to the command line mode, pressing Ctrl Alt F2 after that happened, and I installed lightdm and set it as my default desktop manager. What you can do is, after you get a fresh copy of Ubuntu 20.04, you can, before installing any graphics driver, you can simply do sudo apt update to update your repositories, and then you have to upgrade your system by doing sudo apt upgrade to install all the upgraded components. After that, we would you have to install lightdm. I am not installing this here because I have already have it installed, but once you install this, it is a very simple procedure. You just press enter, you have to enter the password. After that, there will be a screen where you have to select your the desktop manager of choice. You'll be given two options, one is lightdm, another is GDM. You have to choose lightdm and press OK, and that's it, you're done. After that, you have to go and install your graphics drivers. So for installing the graphics drivers, there is a GUI mode available. You go to the application screen by pressing the Windows button. You go to additional drivers. You click on it. It will search it for a bit. And let's wait a little bit. Okay. So this you will have a window like this. After waiting a bit, it will show the name of your graphics card. I have a GTX 1080 here, and most probably this option, the XOR server option, this option would be chosen by default in your case if the driver is not installed. So what you have to do is you have to select this latest driver that you have available. For me it's the Nvidia driver 440, and then you have to apply the changes. It will go through a process of installation. After that you restart your system and bingo, you're done. You don't have to do anything else. So this is the procedure of installing the graphics drivers for Ubuntu 20.04. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments about any doubts that you have. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon to receive further updates about new videos. See you soon.